Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and lush green fields, lived a kind hearted farmer named John and his loving wife, Sarah. One sunny morning, as John was plowing the fields and Sarah was feeding the chickens, they noticed something unusual sprouting near the edge of their farm. It was a tiny plant with leaves that shimmered like silver in the sun. Intrigued, they decided to nurture it alongside their other crops. Weeks passed, and the mysterious plant grew rapidly, its leaves growing larger and more radiant each day. John and Sarah watered it faithfully, marveling at its beauty and wondering what kind of fruit it would. One fine day, the plant blossomed into the most extraordinary sight they had ever seen. Shimmering golden apples hung from its branches, gleaming like stars in the night sky. John and Sarah couldn't believe their eyes. They harvested the apples carefully and shared them with their neighbors, who were amazed by their taste and magical glow. News of the golden apples spread far and wide, and people from distant lands came to see the miraculous tree. As the fame of their golden apples grew, John and Sarah remained humble and generous. They continued to work hard on their farm, treating each day as a gift and each crop with gratitude. The golden apples brought prosperity to their village, and everyone lived happily ever after, cherishing the lesson that hard work and kindness always bear the sweetest fruits. Hard work, perseverance, and kindness can lead to unexpected blessings and joy.